welcome back to ADD Fitness. My name is 𝐅𝐢𝐭𝐧𝐿𝐴 and today I have a really cool, quick, simple and efficient HIIT workout. HIIT is high intensity interval training. This is only a 15 minutes workout. We'll do 5 different exercises for 3 rounds where you'll work for 40 seconds and you'll have an off for 20 seconds. Now the best part about this workout is you can do this anytime, anywhere, whether you're waking up early in the morning or just before going to bed or within your office hours. You just need 15 minutes. And the great part is that even after you finish working out, you'll still be burning calories. So when you work out, you'll burn calories. This is what HIIT does. And after you finish, you'll still be burning calories because your body will be drawing oxygen to replenish itself. So this is a great workout for fat loss. 5 simple exercises. Anyone can do it. Let's get into the workout. So now before starting with the workout, make sure you warm up. There'll be a link given above. You can see how to warm up before the workout. That's completely your choice. The first exercise you're going to start with is jumping jacks. You're going to do this for 40 seconds. So get ready and let's start. We have 20 seconds off, and the next exercise you're going with is pop squat. So you do the squat, come back straight up, and do the squat again. Get ready, catch your breath. And let's start. Squat. Good work. On to our next exercise, which is speed skaters. So get ready, 20 seconds off. Then we're going to do 40 seconds of work, speed skater. This is the exercise, get ready. Start in 3, 2, 1, let's go. So 20 seconds, moving to our next exercise, which is high plank to low plank. Get into high plank position. From here we'll go on our elbows and then back to high plank. Make sure to rotate the way you go so both your arms get used equally. We're starting in 3, 2, 1. Alright, 20 seconds off. From here on to our last exercise, which is alternating toe taps. So you're gonna alternate your toes. 40 seconds. Last exercise, give it everything you have. And we'll be done with this round. Get ready and let's start. Good work, team. Good work. And let's start. And let's start. Squat. Good work. Let's go. Starting in 3, 2, 1. start. Good work, team. Good work. And let's start. And let's start. Squat. Good work. Let's go. Starting in 3, 2, 1. Good work, team. Good work. Alright, great work, team. We did 3 rounds of 15 minutes of HIIT. Remember, post this workout, you're going to be burning calories as well. So this is a great workout. You can do this anytime, anywhere. I hope you like this video. I hope you got a good sweat. If you did like this video, drop me a like, comment on video recommendations that you'd like to see. Hit the subscribe button, click the bell icon to stay updated, and you can check out my Instagram and hit me up anytime. Stay fit, stay blessed, and I will see you next time.